Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a cracking weekend. Today, I'm so happy to share this freebie here, this amazing free printable. It's this page has been designed from my July VIP lounge papers. I just picked one of the pages and added some butterflies. You might think, what is the VIP lounge? In case you're new to my channel, the VIP lounge is a membership that I offer on my website where every month you get digital papers, gift boxes, extra gift, you get discount code, everything. But before I show you where to get this, let me show you all the papers of the VIP lounge members for the month of July. Okay guys, so for the VIP lounge for the month of July, this is the cover. So the inspiration is yellow tones and a lot of shabby vintage ephemera. The reason why I called it shabby tapestry is because I wanted to create a papers that remind me of tapestry, like something that you walk into a very vintage house. You got this lovely pattern on a sofa or on the wallpaper or even on the carpet. And I wanted to create something with yellow. Yellow is not a color that I use a lot for no reasons. It's just I personally think I'll be overwhelmed by the color. Not reasons. But anyway, I created this kit. And I'm going to show you page by page. It's whopping huge, large kit. It has different backgrounds and geometric motifs, ephemera, etc. So just going to show you page by page. Just going to turn it over this side. In fact, no, I'm just going to put this over there. You get another page with a yellow. I know it's yellow, but it's more like a brownish, yellowish, goldish sand color damask. You got another page. I put some lace here. I layered some ephemera, some buttons, and then of course a lot of flowers. This is another page. I want to come back to this in a minute and I'll show you why, but this is a collage of different yellow tiles, Mediterranean yellow tiles. I'm going to put this on the side and I'll come back to that. You get a page with some ephemera. So you've got some butterflies there, some little embellishment that you can fussy cut. You get one page with 4 different background scaled into 4 rectangulars. So this is amazing if you do greetings cards, because you can just fussy cut it, put a sentiment, and off you go. And also if you do vintage journal pages or cards, you get a page of butterflies for you guys to fussy cut. Again, all yellow and brown and orangey, because all pages that I have designed are meant to mix and match. Okay, so all the kits that I've designed are very large because you can, create a mix and match. Another background here full of ephemera, flowers, etc. You got another version. I've used a lot of like dark tones and edged a little bit. This is one of my favorite page. Look at that, love it. This is probably one of my favorite I made this year. You get one page with the tags. I'm going to leave it outside because I'll come back to that as well. You got another geometric page. What I've done, I created this pattern and I repeated it. I think it works because I love the contrast of the flower with the geometric. I think it really works because it's the same color palette. Another geometric here. Again, I used stripes and more like an organic flower there. Similar pattern with the tiles, and I just put some flowers on top. And this is the last piece. So there is a lot of pages. Now, I don't want to spoil it because I'm going to do a separate videos, but the beauty of my digital papers, to be fair, with all digital papers, that you can print the page that you want instead of print them all. I don't buy cardstock anymore. Of course, I made my own paper, but the beauty of digital papers that you can print in any surfaces. So I've got a few things I want to show you. I print some of the pages into music sheets. So what I've done, I cut an A4 music sheet paper, put through my printer, and I print my page on top of it. So you get this lovely extra background, and I've done the same with this page here. So I print all these butterflies on here. Okay, so that's the plain music sheet notes, and that's the reverse. So this is what, and the print is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So I'm really pleased with that. And then one thing I wanted to show you, but we do a separate project on that, is that you can print my digitals into vellum. Okay, so what I've done, and I don't know if you can probably see if I do that. So I have printed my tags into vellum. Okay, so this is purely vellum paper, but I'm going to do a separate project with this. So keep watching, guys, keep watching. Okay, so let me come back to, because it's not finished yet. So when I designed this page, my brain went, woo, had an explosion. So I have this coaster on my desk. Okay, so this is from my home village in Italy. I bought this last time when me and Jamie went to visit my family. It's a coaster, so you've got cork on the base, and this is a tile. This is a proper tile that is being cut. Okay, so what I've done, in additional gift to all my VIP members for July, I created a mini kit taking inspiration from this. So when I designed this, I thought to myself, oh my god, what this will look like with blues and yellow. So that's the answer. So I created this page here, so you get this for free as well. Okay, so this is an additional gift for this month. This one here, I gave you an extra page with all these lemons made into stamps that you can simply fussy cut. And then this one here, so I'll try to create a similar geometric motifs, and I just put some lemons on top. I think it works. I'm really pleased with it. I mean, I'm gonna show you on camera. It's beautiful, and the colors are very vibrant, as you can see from my print. Okay, so you get you get a large paper pack, you get an additional free mini pack. Also, you get the letter gift box. This month is letter O, so this is the template that you can print, and also there is a private video showcasing how to make this, and I'm going to show you what the letter O look like when it's all done up. Okay, so this is letter O when it's all done up. It's beautiful, really nice. Okay, let me show you all the alphabet that we made so far. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. Cracking rich. E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O. Of course, my VIP members get this for free. But if you want to purchase them singularly, they are available on my website as a bundle as well. Okay, guys, so you've seen the papers and of course the letter O. Now, if you wish to join, let me show you on my website where to get your hands on these beautiful papers. Okay, guys, so this is my website. So when you look at AntonioMakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there you go, you got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month, and then you have a yearly one, so you got the VIP Lounge yearly membership. Okay, so if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each, a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the Gold Butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay guys, now let me showcase where to find all my freebies on my Facebook group. As usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like my VIP lounge for July. No, honestly, big thumbs up if you like my freebie. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and also it tells this amazing social media platform that you like what I made. Have a wonderful day and weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.